Let me tell you something. I got a secret. Come here. Come here. Alright. Look. Okay. I went on the AI app. Don't tell anybody. And I looked up the most affordable, the best, all-in-one detox product. And I found it. Balance One, Liver One with Milk Thistle Extract. Look at that. Get a good look at it. This is the best, most affordable, all-in-one detox product. You can't get it in Walmart. The only way to get it is to order it on the Walmart app. That's the best way to get it. Order it on the Walmart app. I look at it like this. Take 2 a day, right? With a meal. 2 a day keeps the doctor away. Right? I made that up. So yeah, get it now. Feel healthier. Detox your body. And yeah, live longer. World peace. Yeah, so we had a little unexpected twist again to the end of the story last night with the Balance One all-in-one detox new product. I should have waited until 10 or 11 a.m. but instead I took it at 10 or 11 p.m. I got home from work last night, and my heart was racing, and I was up all night trying to figure out what was going on. It had to be the detox, right? So this morning I checked it out, and come to find out that the same ingredients that they put in Viagra they use in this product. For those that are interested or use Viagra, you might want to check out this product. It's $25. You get 60 capsules. That's a 1 month supply. I don't know, maybe you might want to replace your Viagra with this product. Yeah, it felt like it worked about the same. So have a good one. Yeah, have a good one, or a good two. A good two as in Balance One, Liver One with Milk Thistle Extract tablets. 2 a day.